would like to discuss to you today about the job description of a logistics supervisors. So, for us to learn what a logistics supervisor should be doing, sometimes they're called logistics foreman, logistics or warehouse in charge, and they don't differ much to a logistics manager. It will depend on the task or responsibilities that they will be given to them by the management. Actually, logistics supervisors are responsible for overseeing the shipments and delivery of goods. This includes inbound and outbound, including the proper management and utilization of the three resources: manpower, space, and equipment. Logistics manager or logistics supervisor mainly work in warehouse settings for retailers and wholesalers. The job description involves managing the loading of trucks, setting up by delivery routes, and unloading of materials. As well, warehouse security and control, including the first in first out movement of products, should be properly observed. This includes inventory management and to establish and maintain communication with suppliers as well as with buyers, distributors, or retailers, custom brokers, 3PL, third-party logistics, carriers, and others involved in the shipping and delivery of merchandise. Communication is a vital part in order to negotiate with suppliers, distributors, wholesalers, and retailers. And logistics supervisors must attend to multiple tasks such as ensuring that goods are shipped and delivered in a timely manner, in good order and condition, and to maintain the sufficient inventory levels. Logistics supervisor's role entails overseeing transportation of goods from one warehouse location to another, ensuring it's arrived safely and on time. And logistics supervisor should see to it that the operation as well as the delivery of products is cost effective. When we say cost effective, we have to optimize delivery. The trucks, the delivery van should be maximized. Items, products should be consolidated in one shipment. As well, providing productivity through multitasking of our warehouse personnel, and of course, proper planning and training. The job of a logistics supervisor involves a lot of factors like human resource management, marketing, and planning. And they also arrange product pickups and deliveries with transportation companies as well as route drivers accordingly. They typically conduct cost analysis of several transportation companies in order to select a more cost-effective option, and are also to manage the reception and storage of shipments. Proper stock arrangement is one of the best asset that a logistics supervisor should possess. As well, proper stock arrangement, accuracy in inventory, and optimization of manpower, as well as space. How to manage your space and how to manage your deliveries. As part of their duties, supervisors of logistics communicate with tracking companies, warehouse supervisors, custom brokers, sales forces, and customers. They must ensure that all parties work together to guarantee that shipments are packed, sent, and delivered in a timely manner. They study client or customer needs and manage inventory based on the needs of consumer, as well as end user in a manufacturing firm. And this often includes analyzing product orders to research the need for keeping certain items in stock. This has something to do with inventory management or stock levels to be maintained, that we don't have to maintain a big buffer stocks, which is costly, and there is the so-called capital tied up. Logistics supervisor work description also involves reordering products as needed to maintain sufficient inventory levels. And to work in this position requires minimum of a bachelor's degree in fields such as supply chain management, business, and industrial engineering. And of course, the entry-level salary in US, it is $17 per hour, or equivalent to $50,000 to $60,000 per annum. In the Philippines, it should be $50,000 per month minimum, depend on the capacity and the number of line items of a certain company. I hope this little information helps. Thank you very much, and subscribe.